In this video, I'll show you how to post long images on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Leonardo AI and generate an image with a 9:16 ratio. Adjust the resolution, write a prompt, and download the image once it's ready. Next, go to Imgur to upload your image. Once it's uploaded, copy the image link. Now, head over to make.com. Here, you'll need to register quickly with your Google account. After signing in, click Create New Scenario and search for Instagram for Business. Scroll down and select Create Photo Post. To connect Instagram to make.com, click on Create Connection. Name it and follow the prompts to link your Facebook page. Once connected, you're ready to proceed. Paste the image URL you copied from Imgur into the photo URL field. If the URL doesn't end in PNG, manually add it. You can also add a caption or text in the provided field. Once everything is set, click Run. Your image will be uploaded to Instagram. Refresh your Instagram account to see the new post. You'll notice that this image is much longer than a standard Instagram picture, perfect for catching attention. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips like this. Catch you in the next one.